So today's vlog will be brought to you entirely by the DJI Osmo Pocket. All audio and visuals. So let's get on the road and let's head to Bali.
Eight hours later.
Alright, so we're on min rest now. We're going to go about 12 hours. It's about 10:30 at night. And, oh, here I am. 10:30 at night. Ready for sleep. Pick up in the morning, brekkie, and go for a walk and get a massage. Welcome to Bali. Hot. Alrighty guys, so I just have a little note here. Earlier on in the car park when I was recording, there's this really weird background sound, and I've just figured out what it is. To make this Osmo Pocket stand up properly, I went on eBay and I bought a cheap little $2 stand. It fits perfectly and it makes the gimbal very stable when you're, say, doing a time lapse. And I thought, hey, it'd be a great thing to put on my car, or put anything, and just sit it there. Not while I drive or anything, but to sit it there and basically use it to have the gimbal follow me and record, and no, it won't follow by a gust of wind because it's a very light gimbal. However, look what happens when you actually put it on. You want to try and record sound. I'm going to put it on now. Okay, so the bass is now on. Can you hear that? It's like it's in a little tunnel or something, and that's because the bass, I'll take it off. And that's because the bass is actually covered the microphone at the bottom of the Osmo Pocket. So this is great if you don't want to record audio. You want to record audio? Don't use this. I just discovered. Just my little note here. Now off to sleep, and I'll see you at brekkie. Oh, good morning. I woke up a little bit too late to have breakfast, so I've only got enough time to have a shower and head to work. So, we'll catch up later on. I'm already feeling way too hot. That's the only downside to doing Bali all the time, is it's so hot, especially in summer. Alright, let's do this.
Next morning.
I don't know what's wrong with me. I always sleep through breakfast. It's like midday already. Anyway, I go for a walk, find some lunch, and just keep this vlog going. So last night I took this Osmo Pocket out at night time. So here's some of that night footage that I took last night to test out how it works at night. I'm so good at explaining things. So I'm inside a basically like a Woolworths here in Bali, or their version. Bit of a curry sweat. I think I just found the least motivational sign. Look at it. If you can't imagine it, you can achieve it. I don't think that means what you think it means. You guys, my favourite Indian restaurant has closed down. That's okay, there's 3 more that just opened up. Bloody party with the strobe lights. Oh man. Jeez. That's fun for the eyes. Yeah, so I think it did pretty well, to be honest. I am absolutely loving the form factor of this thing. The only thing I'm missing is just amazing audio. That's alright, can't win everything. So I was here last night at XOXO Thai, but it was so noisy you couldn't really hear anything. So I'm here now and there's nobody here. Just romantic music. Which will get me monetized. Demonetized. I'm not even monetized. Whatever. I'll play it. I have become obsessed with this fried tofu. I don't even like tofu, but when you fry it, nice. Alright, lunch done. I'm going to go back to the room, get ready for our flight back to Brisbane. I don't know, is this an enjoyable style of vlogging? Just talking about my trip? For work? Who knows? You know, you tell me. Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff about whether this is enjoyable or not. I take all comments. By the way, how beautiful is this door? Alright, I have to do this one more time before I have a month of no Bali. Or maybe be 2 months. I won't be back for at least 4 weeks. So, I'm going to put my feet in the ocean one last time. Alright guys, all ready for work now, so we're going to go head to the airport here in Bali and then just fly to one flight back to Brisbane, back to home. So thanks again for watching, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next vlog. And I have no idea what we're doing, but maybe test a bit more of this Osmo Pocket. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Alright, let's get home.